I'm Elise with Dirt Road Dancing, and we are going to dance it out to God Bless Texas, the classic line dance to Little Texas, God Bless Texas. It is a 2-wall-32 count dance. I'm going to face this direction. Let's get started.
I've seen a lot of places, I've been around the world. I've seen some pretty faces, been with some beautiful girls. After all I've witnessed, one thing still amazes me. Just like a miracle, you have to see to believe. Your chance. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. First he let the sunshine, then he made the waters deep. Then he gave us moonlight for all the world to see. Walks in mysterious ways. He took a rest, then on the very next day. God bless Texas with his own hand, brought down angels from the promised land. Gave them a place where they could dance. If you wanna see heaven, brother, here's your chance. Well, I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. Where they could dance. If you wanna see heaven, brother, here's your chance. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas.